That's what oil does to a rubber coolant hose. Worse than that, the coolant does that to plastic. That's a broken piece of this plastic. And that brown stuff is basically plastic. It starts to crumble basically. Turns this color and starts to crumble. This hose is, by the way, 2006, like 13 years old. Well, just goes there. This hose is 80 years old. Still looks alright, but all this process, the process has started, and I'm not 100% sure if it's the coolant that people use instead of blue or what's factory. Well, factory BMW coolant is a blue color, and I don't think people ever use that when they add or do the flashes and flush the coolant system. I can probably check that by looking. Just drained it yesterday. See what's in here. It's definitely not green, not blue. It's green in this in this case. Well, I need to wake up and just get myself together so I can actually properly explain everything to people. In any case, this coolant is green, not blue. The rest of the cars that I've seen are the same way. At some point somebody replaces the coolant and uses the stupid green stuff. Well, there is a difference. It's compatible, as they say, can be used, but I'm not 100% convinced.